तो गले ही मिलता हूँ सबसे यार। उनका जन्मदिन था, उनको बस विश करने एंड टाइम स्पेंड करने चला गया।
Always recovered beautifully, but has it ever been a time when it has slowed you down mentally, affected you that okay, let me not take a risk in my health, in my body while working?
You know, the strange thing is I've never really got injured doing something dangerous. I'm a romantic hero. While loving only, I'm getting injured. I'm making love and I'm getting injured. It's whatever big injury. Now I have a bad knee. It was just during a dance, not even some big. The big stunts I've done, I've got actually. God's been kind.
No, the jump, first floor jump.
The first some jumps and all.
He has paid the stuntman and he has done it on his own.
Even if it's not during work, but as a person, as an actor, do you feel that okay?
No, not at all. Yeah, I really feel that if you can go, and I'm not a how do you say surgery junkie. I've had 9 or 10. I've just had one. I still have to take my stitches off. I think if you can go to your doctor and trust in him or her, I think that's the best thing you can do. Get rid of ailments. Do regular checkups. To all of you, matlab you spend as much time on the road as I do. All of you are running around. Day before yesterday, one boy. Please be careful in front of cars. And do checkups, do yearly checkups, please. I mean, for young people, for old people, we don't think as. I think somewhere we people have not got into that culture of doing yearly checkups. So, सब ठीक चल रहा है यार. खाना वाना खा लिया, थोड़ा सो गए, सब ठीक हो गया. I think we should do yearly checkups and put yourself in good doctors' hands. And most of them are all good people. They look after you and you can come back bouncing.
Available.
And insurance also.
Yeah, insurance available. So
And there are insurances available now, so you should participate in all that and do it for your family, for your kids. I think it's important. Yeah.
शाहरुख, इसके अलावा IPL शुरू होने वाला है तो किस तरह की प्रिपरेशन चल रही है, किस तरह की एक्साइटमेंट?
मैं तो क्या प्रिपेयर करूँगा यार. मैं तो टीम प्रिपेयर हो रही है. आई थिंक चूज़ हो गए और अभी अब चले गए होंगे लोग. आई थिंक ट्रेनिंग के लिए साउथ अफ्रीका 10-12 प्लेयर्स जा रहे थे. आई थिंक कल परसों में चले जाएंगे.
शाहरुख, रिसेंटली आप आमिर के घर गए थे उनको विश करने के लिए, तो क्या किस तरह से विश किया, क्या गिफ्ट दिया आमिर?
किस तरह का विश किया?
किस तरह से विश किया और क्या गिफ्ट दिया?
मैं तो गले ही मिलता हूँ सबसे यार. उनका जन्मदिन था, उनको बस विश करने एंड टाइम स्पेंड करने चला गया.
Shahrukh, a lot's been spoken about your growing friendship with Amir. So can we see a film in the pipeline, perhaps, with you and Amir starring together in it?
No, we don't have any. We don't talk work here. We haven't spoken work for years. So I think he's just been in town. I've been in town, and the last 2-3 months I think he's come home sometimes. But no, we've not talked work at all here. There's nothing work-wise that we have discussed.
Shahrukh, also one of the biggest films with a medical background that has been made in Indian cinema was Munna Bhai MBBS. It was first planned with you. Raju had planned with you. It didn't happen. So any regrets on missing that out, or perhaps?
I think that हर किसी की फिल्म जो होती है उसकी किस्मत की होती है. And I don't think I would have done it as well as Sanjay Dutt at all. I think he was fantastic in the film.
What he asked about Amir, how is your friendship evolved with him? Because earlier when we used to see you guys together, of course you guys must have been meeting personally, but we didn't spot you guys together.
We actually always met as often. You just have more media now who gets to know that we are meeting. हम पहले भी इतना ही मिलते थे तब, लेकिन चले जाते थे. अब तो actually it's quite shocking that everyone is everywhere, so that's why I think it seems more like it.
Guys, we need to wind up. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Excuse me, I'd like